The zipper head of the bag has come out like this. How can we put it back? This bag is different from pants and skirts. Normally, we can only put it back from the end. If we take it apart by ourselves, it will be difficult to sew it back with the sewing machine at home. So if we encounter this situation, we can't take it apart casually. Normally, the zipper head will not come out like this. This should be because the zipper head is a little deformed. It will come out during the pulling process. Let's take a closer look at the zipper head. Now you can clearly see that the opening at the back of the zipper head is different from the opening at the front. The one glued here is a little bigger. So if you encounter this situation, we can put the zipper head in first, and then clamp the zipper head with pliers. First, use this end to open it. The larger side can be inserted like this. We can use pliers to clamp it so that it is easier to operate. It is more difficult to install from the tail. Let's take off the 2 chains first. It will be easier to install after removing the chains. Now remove the 2 chains so it is much easier to install. We can pull it up so that the zipper can be installed. When we push it back to the tail, use pliers to clamp the zipper head. Now the zipper can be closed. Then put the 2 chains back and install this one. Don't fix it first, then install the other one. Adjust the gap between them. After the gap is adjusted, we use pliers to clamp the chain teeth. Now fix the chain ruler. Let's try the effect. There is no jamming at all. It has been fixed now. Have you learned this method?